Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Smart TV and Xiaomi 11 Lite. In this video I'll show you how to cast screen from smartphone to TV. In the beginning make sure that both devices are connected to same Wi-Fi. Then on your TV enter screen mirroring function. Next on your phone swipe down notification bar, extend it and search for screencast. Enter it, agree, go to settings, permission and allow all the time location permission. Go back, again swipe down control panel and tap on cast. Now your phone is searching for new devices, select your TV, and it's set. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.